Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look that I am wearing right now. This makeup look is my everyday winter glam, and in this makeup look I have glossy skin, glossy lips and a very bold wing liner on my eyes. And if you want to watch how I recreated this makeup, keep on watching. And also please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also like and share this video, and please comment below any suggestions that you have. And thank you so much for watching my video. So the first thing that I will be applying is my moisturizer. Next, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. I'm in the shade F8, and this foundation has a very beautiful dewy coverage. I'm going to go in with my Rimmel eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm going to use it underneath my eyes, just to conceal the darkness underneath my eyes. Whatever is excess, I'm going to tap it over my eyelids. My makeup look is going to be an everyday makeup look. I am not going to do anything to underneath the I'm not going to do anything to brighten the underneath of my eyes. I'm just going to conceal my darkness under the eyes, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So the next thing that I will be going on to are my eyes. So I primed my eyelids with my concealer, the LA Pro concealer, and next I'm going to go in and do my eyeshadow. For that, I'm going to take my NYC bronzer in this shade 720 Sunny, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the bronzer and I'm going to lay it across my crease. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and I'm going to take the really warm brown color here called Cola Float, and I am going to lay this shade right below the bronzer that I put over my eyelids. Next, I will just take a little bit of the color called Tonic right here, the shimmery shade here. And this is a very beautiful champagne shade, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it on my fingers, and I'm just going to spread it across the mobile part of my eyelid. Just a little bit of shimmer, nothing too overboard, because this is an everyday glam makeup look. Next, I'm going to take my Sugar I Told You So eyeliner, and I'm going to go for a bold wing. Once again going to go back to the shade Tonic from the Soda Pop palette from Maybelline, and I am going to use that shade for the inner corner of my eyelids, just for a little bit of highlight. Because this is an everyday makeup look, I am going to take a brown kajal and I am just going to put it in the lower waterline. And I'm also going to use the bronzer that I took, and I'm going to use that bronzer just to put it underneath where I put my brown kajal. To set my under eyes, I am going to take the Wet n Wild pressed powder in the shade Neutral Beige, and I am just going to set my concealer. It's time to go on to the complexion. For that, I am going to first use my bronzer. I prefer my bronzers to be powders and have matte finishes. So I am not going to use any cream bronzer today. I'm just going to go straight with my powder bronzer. I'm going to warm up my face with that. Because it's cold and dry outside, and I tend to get extremely dry skin during the winter months, I prefer to use a cream blush because that's more hydrating on the skin. So for the blush, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl cream blush in the shade Plush, and I'm going to take that, and I'm not going to put it directly on my skin. What I'm going to do is use my finger to get the product on my fingers. I'm just going to warm it up a bit as well, and then I'm going to put it on my cheeks, and that's going to give me a better result. So make sure you just tap the blush in and you don't use extremely strong force and motions to apply the blush. Just light tap, tap, tap. For my highlight too, I am going to take a cream highlight. This is from ColourPop. This is the Super Shock Cheek in the shade Wisp. And I am just going to use my fingers for the highlighter. So whatever is left on my finger, I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose with that. for mascara, I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's time to complete the look, and I am going to go ahead and do my lips. So first step is the lip liner. I am going to use my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to go ahead with my L'Oreal Gloss in the shade I Got the Power. I'm just going to apply just a little bit of that. It doesn't give off much color, so just a little bit, and I'm just going to use and blend it with my fingers. Since it's the winters and my lips are really chapped, I'm going to go ahead and use my gloss, and this is going to be the final step for the lips. I'm going to use the Essence gloss in the shade Big Bang. So that completes the makeup look today. Because winters are dry and the skin gets very flaky, this is the kind of makeup look that I like to wear on a daily, with glossy skin and glossy lips. And I like to use mostly cream products so that my skin does not dry out during the winters. And so if you like this look, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please like and share this video. Also, I would like to thank each and every one of you who has been supporting my channel and leaving comments. It helps me out a lot. So thank you everybody for watching today, and take care and bye-bye.